Hi everyone and welcome back to Cranberry Crafts. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make your very own party popper.
Let's get to it!
So to make your own DIY party popper you'll need a regular toilet roll, a balloon, a ruler, pen or pencil, some sticky tape, scissors, coloured sheet of paper and a bigger colour sheet of paper. So to make your DIY party popper you'll need your toilet roll, balloon and some scissors. Okay, so firstly you'll grab your toilet roll and your balloon. With your balloon you'll cut a little bit off the top so there's a hole at both ends. Then once you've done that you'll grab the bottom of the toilet roll and put that end you cut onto the bottom, like so. Okay, once you've put the balloon on the bottom end, you'll grab your sticky tape and you'll pull enough off so it goes the entire way around. Okay, so you'll sticky tape it all the way around like so. Okay, and then you'll grab your colourful piece of paper and you will measure it so it goes all the way to the top of the toilet roll. Okay, so you'll grab your pen and mark it where it is like that. Then you'll grab your ruler. You will mark a straight line like so. And then you will cut all that way down that line. Okay, so you don't need this little part of the end. You don't need your ruler anymore. Okay, then you're going to grab this and your toilet roll with the balloon on it. Then you're going to grab your sticky tape and put it on one side so half of it is off like that. Then you're going to stick it so you don't see the top end of the balloon along there and so it matches up with the top. You're going to stick it down and then you're going to roll it all the way around so it's straight and sticky tape it at the other end like so. Okay, so once you've stuck all that down, you'll grab this end of the balloon and tie a small knot in it, like this. So it's at the top end of this balloon. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll grab some sticky tape, little pieces like this, and you'll stick the toilet roll and the colourful piece of paper together so it doesn't fall apart on you. And you'll do it a couple more times so it's all secured. And once more. Okay, so once you've done that, it's just about finished. Okay, so now you're going to grab your big piece of paper and start cutting up some small cubes. Okay, so once you've cut up all your small cubes, you're going to get the top of your party popper and put them all in like so. Then you're going to pull your balloon so it all comes out.
Thanks for watching Cranberry Crafts. Please subscribe and give a big thumbs up. See you next time.